Imagine strolling through a sparkling Central Park after a fresh snowfall, or admiring the festive window displays on Fifth Avenue. New York in winter is truly magical, but it can also be incredibly cold if you are not prepared. Staying warm is key to enjoying every unforgettable moment. Yes, fleece layers are absolutely essential for a New York winter trip. They are a fantastic, versatile option that provides crucial warmth without adding unnecessary bulk, making them perfect for navigating the city. New York winters present a unique challenge. You will encounter not just low temperatures, but also a persistent, biting wind that can feel much colder than the thermometer indicates. The city can also be surprisingly damp, which makes cold feel even more penetrating. Layering is your secret weapon against these conditions, and fleece excels as a core component of that system. It traps warm air close to your body while allowing moisture to escape, preventing you from feeling clammy and cold. Unlike heavy wool, fleece is also wonderfully lightweight and quick drying, which is a major advantage when you are moving between heated indoor spaces and the frigid outdoors. You can easily shed a layer inside a museum or store, and then put it right back on when you step out. Think of your fleece as a mid-layer. You will wear a moisture-wicking base layer underneath, like thermal underwear, and then your fleece on top. Over the fleece, you will add a waterproof and windproof outer shell, such as a good quality winter coat. This combination creates an effective barrier against the elements. Consider bringing a medium-weight fleece jacket or vest for maximum versatility. A full zip jacket is particularly convenient for quick temperature adjustments. When shopping, you might hear terms like microfleece or polar fleece. Microfleece refers to a very lightweight, soft fleece that is excellent for slightly milder days or as a comfortable inner layer. Polar fleece is generally thicker and offers superior insulation, making it ideal for the coldest days. These synthetic materials are not just about warmth. They are fantastic at wicking moisture away from your skin, keeping you dry and comfortable. Do not forget to extend that fleece comfort to accessories too. A fleece-lined hat, neck gaiter, and gloves can make a huge difference in overall warmth, protecting those exposed areas from the chilling wind. By packing smart with essential fleece layers, you are not just bringing warm clothes. You are ensuring you have the flexibility to adapt to New York's constantly changing winter environment, allowing you to focus on the incredible sights and experiences rather than battling the cold. This strategic approach means you will stay cozy, comfortable, and ready for whatever urban adventure awaits, making your winter visit truly unforgettable.